am going to be showing you guys today is going to do all of the complicated work for you. And by using this website, you're going to see that I've actually made over $500 just from today and over $250 yesterday. So if you guys want to start making money like this online, then make sure you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Our method for today is extremely easy. It's perfect for beginners. It's 100% free. You don't need to pay for anything at all. It's available to all of the countries, everyone from everywhere, all over the world. It's super duper easy. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Make sure you watch it till the very end because I am gonna be showing you the step-by-step process to be able to come out successful with today's video. So if you guys want to know how to do it, then let's jump right into it. So the website that we're going to be using is called jvzoo.com. This website is very similar to ClickBank, Digistore24, and other affiliate platforms. But what makes JVZoo stand out is that it's not focused on physical and digital products. You have so many make money online products, cooking products, and more. Now, aside from that fact, another amazing feature of this website is that it has different and a ton of payment options for you to choose from. PayPal, obviously, which is very popular, but obviously the thing with PayPal is that it's not available everywhere, right? So for those of you who don't have PayPal in your country, there's so much more that you can choose from. So you can read more and explore the website, what it is, what it's about, but I am not going to be doing that one by one, okay? What you need to do when you first come on here, though, is to create a brand new account. And you're going to do that by clicking on Start for Free in the upper right corner over here. And from there, you're going to be able to register by entering in your basic information, and then you're going to verify the email address that you used, and then you're going to choose your payment option or method, and then you're basically ready to go. So as soon as you sign into your brand new account, this is what you're gonna see on your dashboard. You're gonna see information about your earnings, how many visitors, how many sales, the gross revenue, and your earnings. And for you to be able to browse different products, for you to be able to promote as an affiliate and grab the links that you want, what you have to do is click on affiliates right here, and then you are going to have to focus and click on find products. Now this is going to take you to this page where you're going to see thousands of different offers that you're going to be able to promote as an affiliate. And something that I love about JVZoo is that it actually gives you useful information so that you know what product is going to be the best for you to promote as an affiliate, so you can get paid, choose to get paid, and actually get paid. Now you can see the launch date of the products, how many of them were sold, conv here, which stands for the conversion rate. And what a conversion rate means, for those of you not familiar with affiliate marketing, this is how many people are earning percentage wise when someone buys the products after they went over the sales page. For example, a conversion rate of 5% means that 5 out of 100 people bought the product. Now, if you guys want to make more money online, then make sure you check out our description box down below. I have a secret for you guys there that you can check to be able to make over $1,000 every single day online. So make sure you check those links down below. Also, I want you guys to comment down below where you live because I love reading your comments and knowing where y'all are from. And also tell me about what devices you guys use and whether you're an Android user or an iOS user, because I would love to know. So make sure you comment that down below before continuing on, and let's get back into it. So the next thing that you're going to be able to see here is EPC, and this actually means earnings per click, which essentially is the average amount of money made every time someone clicked on one of the affiliate links relating to the product. So Something that's good to know and have in handy is the average price. So you don't want to promote a product that's super cheap and won't make you a lot of money. And one of the most important things in this list is the refund rate. You want that to be less than 10% because obviously you're promoting a product that people are not satisfied with. I mean, if they are not satisfied with it, isn't it good for you? And it won't make you a lot of money, right? So out of all of these things that I mentioned, the number of products sold, the conversion rate, the refund rate, and the average price, these are the things that you really have to look out for. The number of products sold is super important because it's a great product without even having to check the other stats. And most importantly, people will be more willing to buy a product that has already sold a lot of copies. You also want the conversion rate obviously to be above 10% because most of the time, and also the refund rate, as I've mentioned, it has to be lower than 5%, and you want the average price to be around $40 to $50. So another thing that's important as well is the launch date of the product. So don't promote products that have been launched years ago. Try to find more recent ones, more newer ones. Anyway, by clicking on category here, you're going to be able to see all of the different categories of products JVZoo offers. And as I mentioned, there are many more of them than on similar websites, which is what I love the most about it. There are literally too many of them here for me to really read out one by one. And what you have to do is pick one that you are most interested in. But for today's video, as an example, I'm going to choose business and finance. So when you choose your category, you're then going to choose a product that you want. Like I said, you have to make sure the statistics are good before going and grabbing that link. So one product I found that fits the criteria perfectly that you need to do when you find your product you think is good is open up. On that page, you're going to be able to see the commission, which in this case is this percentage, which is really good. You can also see the price, which is also good. And then you can check the sales of the product by clicking here. If you're appreciating today's video and really taking it all in, make sure that you like and subscribe before going further into the video. We would appreciate it a lot. You can also show your love by hitting the notification bell so you'll always be updated when it comes to our YouTube channel and you won't regret it, and that we can promise you. Keep watching because we're almost done. Now, in case when you pick your product, you need to know request approval in order to get the affiliate link. And when you're doing that, you're going to be able to tell them stuff like, I'm experienced in affiliate marketing. You know how to promote products in this niche. I'm going to be able to get sales on your page, and on and on and on. And when you type all of that in, you're going to click on I'm not a robot. You're going to tick this box. And finally, you're going to click on request approval. And now to be able to promote your product, you can use different tools that are just simply available to you for free, like social media, one of the most powerful and most often used tools. For example, what you can do is go on over to different Facebook groups, and since I chose the category of Make Money Online, I looked up Make Money Online groups in particular. And as far as social media can go, Facebook groups are not a bad way to go at all. They have thousands of members and hundreds and thousands at most who also want to find a way to make money, or maybe they want to buy something. You also have Instagram and Twitter. You can create an Instagram that's just relating to the category that you've chosen. You can post your affiliate link in your bio. You can do that as well on Twitter. You can look for people who want to make money online, and so on and so forth. So make sure you try that out. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.